Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a guy on Dress to Impress. There aren't a lot of clothings for guys, I'm not gonna lie, but like if you want to dress up as a guy, you can just go to the section and then put on this body, and then here are the outfits that you can use. You can also use all of the broad items, I think. There's also some in VIP, but again, it's not a lot. Like this one you can put on. You can also put on, let's say this one too. Some accessories you can put on, like these wings. Just like hover over and see which one of these you can put on. And like the bread items, you can put on like everything, like even the boots and stuff here. And there's also this one from the Halloween event, which already ended, so sorry about that. And there's also like male makeup here, mask makeup, and mask hair as well that you can put on and just change the skin color. You can also change like your nails and stuff, but that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.